Hey buddies, how are you all? Welcome to Brahma. Today I'm here to discuss something about distinct and drop duplicates function in Spark. When it comes to data cleaning, right? In big data, we all connect to multiple sources to get the data, and we keep all the data in one place and we call it as raw data. Once we have raw data handy, we must clean it properly with the different approaches to make sure the data is free from null values and duplicates. Coming to null values, I have already recorded one video. You can have a look. I will keep that link in the video description. And now I'm going to tell you something about how to make use of distinct and drop duplicate functions to clean the data and to make sure that data is free from duplicates. So, what is the major difference between distinct and drop duplicates? I'm gonna tell you with one real-time example. Here I am making use of Google Colab and I have installed PySpark using pip install PySpark. So here is the code. I'm importing one Spark section and this is the name for the Spark section and here is the data. If you see there are multiple duplicate records, 3000 salary for repeating and 4600 also is repeating, okay, and these are the columns and let me create data frame using this and if you see here I'm first going to use distinct function here. This is the approach and after that I'm going to use drop duplicates. This is the approach. Df dot drop duplicates. Here, let me execute it first and once you see the result I'm going to explain what is happening and what is the major difference. It is executing. If you see the down, it executes cell by cell. So I see the result here. See, the first result is belongs to distinct. If you see df dot distinct, so it is giving us all the records, but whenever I use drop duplicates, right, it is giving me only two records. So what is the major difference? It's a simple. If you wanna use distinct, right, it checks the duplicates using entire record. It's gonna check the entire record. If the entire record, that means all columns, the entire record is repeated, then only it removes when you use distinct. But when it comes to drop duplicates, right, here we are using like this, right? We are giving columns by column, okay, by department and salary. So here department and salaries are getting repeated. The 3000 salary is there for Raja and 4600 is there for Srini. So these are the duplicates as per drop duplicates function because it checks column wise but not record level. Hope you are getting it. Let me change the values now and you will come to know, you will understand it very well, better. So if I change Brahma name to Raja, now when I execute this distinct, it should remove this record actually because 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 the entire row is getting repeated here in the same data frame. The entire record, the entire record is getting repeated here. So let me execute and show it to you. So see, there are only three records. Okay. Hope you are getting it now. Whenever you use distinct, right, it check the duplicates at record level, whole row level, record level. But when you use drop duplicates, you can specify and give some column names actually. If you give only the department or salary, if there are repeated values, it will automatically detect and delete those records actually. Yeah, let me tell you one more example here. This is a bit different. Let me start the Spark section and create it, and let me create the data frame, and here are the columns, and let me create the data frame here, and let me show you the data frame using this. See, if you see, A is one column having values null, and the second value is 2, and the third value is 2. Coming to B, it is having 1 1 1. C is having 3 3 3. A also second and third values are same, but the first value is null. So what will happen when we apply distinct and drop duplicates on this? Let me execute. I'm now executing distinct, and let me see what happens. I need to see this one, right? The result. Okay. Sure. See, if you compare this result and with this result, I just applied distinct function on data frame. Now, if you compare these two results, it is keeping the record which starts with null 1 3, and these two are similar at row level. The all are matching. So it is simply removing this and keeping this one because the first one is different from these two. Hope you are getting it. Now let me execute the second one. So uh, this is the result actually. Let me execute drop duplicates. That will be completely that drop duplicates. So let me execute this and let me see the results. Sure. See here it is giving us the same results. It is giving us the same results. Now let me add column C. Now what will happen? Let's see. See, if you are keenly observing it, now, yeah, now let me show you the initial result actually, so that we can simply compare it. So this is the actual data frame uh, data. Okay. Now, if you see here, whenever we apply drop duplicates using one particular column C, this particular column is having all similar records. This particular column is all similar records, but it is not. It should remove all the records actually, but it is not removing it because it is having one null value for that entire record. Let me try to add one more column, that is B. Let's see what happens here. See, it is not removing the record which is having null. So finally, you need to understand when you apply a distinct, it will it will detect the duplicates based on the row, entire row. Okay, but not specific to columns actually. You don't need to give any column names. But whenever we use drop duplicates, right, here we need to specify some column name so that it will find and look for the duplicates and it will remove based on our inputs. Yeah, hope you understand it. Yeah, I will come up with another topic and have a good day. Thanks for watching.